Hey, what's up guys? My name is Anirudh and this is Double Down. Here we talk about anything crypto related. So today we have a new video and that is a review, and today we're going to review the Nano S. So I finally got one of these in. They're hard to find and a lot of people have been asking me, hey, where do you store coins that I don't want to put on a hot wallet? Basically a hot wallet meaning that it's connected to the internet and people could potentially steal them. So this is basically like a cold storage where you can store them on a Nano S, and that way you could take it offline and no one can potentially steal it. So this is one of the most popular ones, Nano S, and I'm gonna go ahead and do an unboxing review of it and show you guys how it works. So let's get started. Alright guys, so here we have the Nano S. Again, it's sealed. This is how it looks like. And I'm going to go ahead and open it and let's see what we have inside. Alright, so now that we have this unpackaged, we're just going to go ahead and open it up. And that's what we have inside. This is the Ledger S. Alright, as you guys can see, this basically is like a USB drive. That's how it looks like. And there is a little screen right here that shows you how many basically coins you have or whatever cryptocurrency that you want to put on there. So this is how it looks like. Let's see what else is in the box. Okay, so you have an instruction manual basically. Let's see. So here we have the instruction manuals. So it's basically how to get started. So in order to get started, we would need to go to startledgerwallet.com and follow the instructions to configure. So basically that is all that is in the box. And you do have a little lanyard to hang your wallet from. I'm pretty sure most people that use the wallet will keep it somewhere safe and they're not going to carry it around with them on them. So there's that. There's also a ring. And there is a USB wire connected to the computer. I don't know if you could charge it, or maybe it's just to connect to the computer, but we'll get started. So one thing that I noticed right when opening the box, this doesn't have any type of wrapping on it. And I do notice that there are some kind of prints. So maybe that was just from manufacturer defect, but also if you notice on the wires, you can notice that they're not like correctly wrapped, or they're not high quality, and that's not something that I would want to particularly put my cryptocurrency in. But there's no other option, and this is probably the only wallet that works, and that's the best right now. So that's all we get. And for $150, I would expect a better packaging, a better wrapping of this, and also a better cable with better wrapping on this. Again, that's just being picky, but if I'm storing thousands of dollars worth of cryptocurrency, I would like to have a product that makes me feel more comfortable rather than just basically packaged very quick and just trying to get it out to the customer as soon as possible. So again, we're gonna go ahead and plug this in. One thing that people are telling on forums and just what I read is that everyone opens the back of this up and they want to check if it's the real Nano Ledger. So one thing I do want to advise is that people who buy on Amazon, they are saying that people can change the chip in the back, and then once you guys get it, it will be somebody else's chip, or somebody can hack it because the programming has changed. So I will put a link exactly what to check for in your Nano Ledger. apparently there's a chip, and that chip number has to be correct, that model number. So as you guys can see, this one fingerprints very easily. It is stainless steel. But so let's go ahead and get this plugged in, and I'm going to go ahead and show you the software configuration part. But however, this is basically it. There's nothing else to it, and there's nothing else that comes in the box, and that's pretty much it. So again, the only basically initial review that I have is that it could be packaged a little better, and this could be protected a little better when it comes in the box. So let's go ahead and get started by plugging it into the computer and see what the software is like. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and basically plug this into the computer. The steps are very self-explanatory. You set your own password, it gives you a couple secret keys, and you write that down, and you guys basically transfer your money over. So I don't know how much I can show you of the passwords, but here it is plugged into the computer. It says welcome, and then it says press both buttons to get started. So I'm going to go ahead and press both buttons. And then it says configure new device. I'm going to click yes, and then it says for me to choose a pin. So I'm going to probably go ahead and skip this part, but when I click the next part, it's going to go ahead and ask me to choose a pin. I'm going to go ahead and choose a pin and then move on to the next part. Okay, so here we have, it says configure your pin. So the pin I just set, we have to configure one more time. Alright, so now that we have our pin set, it says verify your basically passkey, recovery passkey. So it's going to give us 24 different passkeys. Again, this is the same thing as this right here. It basically told us to write down 24 keys in case you lose this. You can recover this, and it's going to do a combination. So when you buy a new one of these, it's going to say what is 24, 6, and 13, or 1, 16, and 12. So in that case, if you answer it correctly, it's going to go ahead and unlock your new one. So these are basically going to be the passkeys. I'm not going to show you again. So like I'll show you the first word, and that's about it. So it's going to give you one word, and that's going to be uniquely assigned to you. So there are going to be a total of 24 words, and they're going to be in different combinations. So you guys will need to write that down. And once you guys do that, you guys can basically go on. I'll cover this up and just go through all 24. Alright, so now that I went through all the recoveries, I actually did not get a chance to write them down. Just want to show you guys just for demonstration purposes. So now it's going to make me confirm that I wrote these down. And how it's going to do that is, see, it says for number 24, as you guys can see, if I did write it down, what did I write down for 24? So it gives me options, and I have to pick the correct one, and it's going to give me another one saying what was number 7 and what was number 5, just to make sure that I wrote it down and that this is my wallet. So that's basically all you guys have to do to get started with the wallet. And then once you guys get started, basically to transfer Bitcoin, you guys will need to download your Bitcoin wallet. If you want to do Ethereum, you need to download the Ethereum wallet, and for Ripple, you need to download your Ripple wallet. So that is basically done on the computer for downloading. So that's basically how you guys set up your Ledger wallet. Again, it's not bad. It's kind of, you know, small to read on the screen, and again, this does not have battery. So if you unplug this, that's it. It shuts down. So for $150, again, I do hope that they improve on there. They can't keep up with demand actually right now because so many people want to buy it, and I get why they are releasing them out as fast as they can. So let's go ahead and jump to the computer, and I'll show you guys exactly what website you need to log on to and where the wallets are to get downloaded. But other than that, this is basically the Ledger. And again, I will be giving away one of these to a subscriber. So we're going to be doing 2 giveaways. One, when we hit 7,500 subscribers, one subscriber will get one of these for free, and another one at 10,000 subscribers. And again, I will ship it to anywhere in the world the subscriber is located. All you have to do is be subscribed, click that notification button, and leave a comment below. So that's all you guys need to do. So other than that, let's go ahead and jump on the computer and see the software. Alright guys, so this is basically the software. on the computer. This is the website, the Ledger website. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is basically go to the beginning, and this is how the website looks like. And what I'm going to go ahead and do is go to the setup. So I believe on the actual manual it says go to start.ledger. There we go. So start.ledgerwallet.com, and then it's going to tell you what ledger you need to choose. So in this case, it is the Ledger Nano S. Now we need to configure the device. Basically, it's just going to show you exactly how to configure the device. And if you guys need a more in-depth, they also have another video tutorial. So here is where you need to install your wallet. As you guys can see, we do need Google Chrome, but install Bitcoin wallet. Once you click install Bitcoin wallet, it's gonna go ahead and download your wallet. And then let me do Ripple since it's right here. So as you guys can see, it says get the app. So what I'm gonna do is download this and click download. So that's gonna download. So as we could see, it's gonna make us basically scan a QR code for it to go onto the ledger. And it's a simple application, it's open source, fast transactions, and it's secure. So as we go down here, you could go ahead and send and receive. So it's gonna basically just how you guys do it on your exchange. There is gonna be a code, and you just send it to that basically wallet ID, and it will be stored onto your Ledger S. That's basically how simple it is. There's no other way to get in and out. It's basically how you send it with that wallet ID, and there's no way of taking it or removing it off that Nano Ledger S unless you use that wallet ID and withdraw from the wallet. Again, it's stored on the ledger itself, so it's basically a cold wallet and no one can hack that wallet. Again, this is the same exact thing that you guys need to do for the Ethereum and Bitcoin. Okay, so it's basically installing that wallet onto my computer, and once that's done, move to trash. So let's see. And I open the app. So there it is. So basically, to begin, connect and unlock your Ledger wallet. So all I need to do is plug in the Nano S. So once I plugged it in, it's telling me to unlock the Ledger wallet. Since I didn't set it up, I cannot unlock it. But however, once you guys get that up and running, it's going to be very simple. It's going to give you your wallet ID, and that's where you send and receive from. That's exactly how simple it will be. Again, that's basically the review on the Ledger S, the Ledger Nano S, and it's very simple to use. A lot of people use it to store their cryptocurrency, so it cannot be hacked or stolen on a website. So one thing I do want to say is that if you guys do get your ledger, please order it from the website directly or a trusted retail authorizer. I will put a link in the description below to the website where you guys can order one from. And again, this is the safest way to store your cryptocurrency. So if you guys find a cheap deal online, do not order it, because you guys have thousands of dollars that will be saved on here, and it's not worth the risk of somebody going in to the wallet and putting another chip in here and stealing it. So please don't do that. I will put a link in the description below to the official website so you guys can order on there. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this review, and I'm sorry that it couldn't be crystal clear because of the LCD screen and the camera actually make it impossible for me to record like that. But other than that, that's basically unboxing. If you guys enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks guys. I'll see you next video.